Additive in the UK, Europe and the US is booming. You've only got to look at the recent Form Next to see the enthusiasm and the growth within the sector. Formula One has long led the way in utilising new technologies, and additive is no different. If you look up and down the grid at the moment, you'll see additive being used throughout, whether that's metal parts for race day or polymer parts used for wind tunnel testing. And now other sectors are catching up, whether it's mainstream manufacturing or even some of the recent space advances in this country and in the US and in Europe, additive has a key role to play. But the real challenge starts now. At the moment, whether it's in the UK, Europe or US, the skills don't exist at the level we need. The challenge for businesses, for recruiters, for support businesses alike is to promote the industry and encourage people to get into it, whether that's at a school level or a university level. In the meantime, we have to work hard to look for transferable skills, be it general engineering, CNC or any other type of manufacturing, and bringing them into the additive landscape. This is going to help all of us advance the industry.